Hey guys, so remember I said I was gonna mess up my house. I don't do it anymore. I'm sorry. I'll be like tomorrow. I promise. No, I'm not gonna promise. I probably won't. Don't mind the background. I'm watching my girl later. I'm sorry you guys can see. But I will. And I said I was gonna make a paper clip. I don't have no tape. I'm just playing. I do have some. I'm gonna be right back, guys. Okay, guys. I just told my baby cousin that my baby cousin agreed. I don't know if he's at. I mean, my dog. I don't know where she's at. But me and her, I'm fun, not me and her. Well, she's a dog. She can do. But I discovered that after, and if I have enough time, I should do a gymnastic quiz. And you're asking me probably if you can't do most of the stuff that I do, I'm gonna do a tutorial how to do it. Anyways, okay. So wake up. Oh, you scared me. Say hi to the fam. She got a dress on. It shrinked. Okay. Then move. I'm looking for my favorite one. If I can find it. Guys, I don't think I can find. Oh, I'm like old lady. Guys, said I'm gonna find it. Guys, look at my Fruity Pebbles. Alright, guys, this is it. Okay, I made another one. Guys, I just made another one. I'm sorry, I did not make it in any lights. Swedish fish. Swedish, my bad. So I'm gonna set you guys. I can't. It's just my room. So guys, I got a lot more time, but there's some people in the living room, so I can't do that right now. I gotta wait, so I gotta stay in my room. And yeah, I just made a school shit, and I'm going to start doing some TikToks. And yeah, I'm gonna record me. So yeah, bye guys. And I still haven't put my tutorial, but I will. So yeah, I'm gonna do it right now. But bye guys.